What's up, guys? We're back again with another unboxing, and you may be asking yourself, what is it this time? This time it's S10 Plus. Alright, so this is the one we've been waiting for, the Galaxy S10 Plus. Here it is. First of all, let's go to this box again. Remember on the S10e, the cheaper version? Oh yeah, look at this guy. Same deal, except now since this is the Plus, they went with 2 pieces of tape. Ooh, big deal, Samsung. Let me show you guys, because this is really crazy. I think there's something going on at Samsung, and I don't know if it's good. Actually, I don't think it is. Things are just getting cheaper. Let me show you guys the S8. Now, if you remember, if you had one, or you do have one, this is the S8 box. It's a little bit smaller box. That's to be expected because it was a little bit smaller phone, but check this out. This box, look, you can barely get it out of here. It's nice and tight, okay? I had it in here upside down, but look at this box. Then it had a piece of tape after that wrap. Then look at this. You pull this out. Remember? Nice little tab right here to hold everything tight. Look at this beautiful box, okay? I don't care about that too much, alright? This thing, flimsy, ugly tape. Let's hope what's inside is way better, okay? There we go. Alright, lid comes off. Ready? Look at this baby, okay? Now, you're gonna like this because you may not have seen one yet. I know I haven't. Flamingo pink, okay? Look at this thing. Flamingo pink. This is gorgeous, okay? Look at that. Look at this finish. Rose gold stuff. It's got all kinds of plastic wrapping everywhere, so I'm gonna have to pull all that off. And some kind of card right here. But there it is. S10 Plus, flamingo pink, kind of a rose gold trim. Okay. This is being filmed with the S10e, by the way, but figured you would get some use out of it that way. There's that dual punch hole camera, tiny little speaker up here. Let's see if this thing powers on. Take a quick look at the screen, and man, this feels good. This is nice. This is a good size. It's probably a bit big for some people, but there it is. All right, let's see what this thing looks like. T-Mobile, because you know we're cheap. We don't want to spend more than we have to on service. Look at that screen. Starting Android. It's probably going to say, let's get started. There it is.
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Look at that. Look at that screen. Oh man, this is nice. So one can only hope the Note 10, which I'm sure, but one can only hope the Note 10 will be very, very similar to this, but have the pen and perhaps some new other gimmicky features. But when that comes out, that's going to be in my pocket, I guarantee you. But this is the S10 Plus. So for more awesome unboxing and for a little bit more in-depth review or whatever, stay tuned. Smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you here next time. Until then, oh wait, let's check out the box. The box I expect is going to be similar to the, yeah, basically identical to the S10e. You got your kind of matte finished white charger, USB on the go cable, and AKG branded white headphones. Nothing surprising there. So until next time, stay tuned for more. Have yourself a good day. Peace.